I am Megatron.
Hey, what's up everybody, it's Mr. Mike back at it again with a brand new tutorial. This time, you're gonna learn how to throat bass in 2 minutes.
In 2 minutes. In 2 minutes.
So the first thing you're gonna do is act angry. Alright, I know it sounds silly and stupid, but you're gonna try to isolate your voice from the growling sound. So it sounds like again. Yes, it's like you're gonna transform, I don't know, into a beast, a monster, whatever you guys wanna be. For me, I think about becoming Megatron.
I am Megatron.
Alright, so you did that, and it worked. Now all you have to do is follow these 2 steps. Step number 1, I call it the note by note. Alright, that's how you do it. Step number 2, I call it the wow throat bass, where you just go and keep saying wow, wow, wow. But
Wow, 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 wow.
and there you have it. So make sure you stay home, practice every day, and smash the like button, subscribe, and make sure you put a comment down below. See you next time.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.